Dr. Off-Road Machine. Hit the like button and subscribe to keep up to date with the channel, and leave comments below. Hello to all my Storm fans out there, welcome to another unboxing. This one is an unboxing of a XTM 4x4 accessory parts. It is a 7-piece recovery kit from BCF. Guys, I'm interested in getting this open because last time I ended up getting stuck. If any of you have followed me, I had none of this gear, so I went out and got it today. And it's time for the unboxing. What do we have in here? We have an XTM dampener bag, also carries the accessories, apparently. How does it do that? So we'll open it up. So it's got little pockets here for like the straps, the shackles and everything else that come in this kit to go in this bag. So it ends up becoming your recovery bag as well as your winch dampener. Bit of a bonus. What do we have here? A winch extension strap. Rated to 4.5 or 4,500 kilos or 4.5 tons. Looks pretty good if you ask me, but we'll see how it goes with the testing. Got a good video coming up. Hopefully we get bulbed and we get to use this stuff. And what do we have here? This one looks like the snatch strap. Looks pretty sturdy build. It's got nice rating. Yep, this is the snatch strap. Pretty sure this one is rated to 5 ton or 5,000 kilos. Looks pretty sturdy. Huh. I found the instruction for it. There you go, recovery guidelines. Give that a bit of a read later on. What's this one? This one is the 3-meter tree trunk protector. Yet again, nice sturdy build, nice endings on it. This one here is rated to 10,000 kilos or 10 ton. We have the winching block that is rated to 8,000 kilos or 8 ton. Pretty sturdy build yet again. So far the looks of this kit, I'm pretty impressed with it. So, but yet again, you never tell until you use the equipment. And not last, we have two D-shackles. These are both rated to 4.7 ton or 4,700 kilos, depending on how you want to read it. But I also got a little extra with this kit. Let's have a look at that. This here is the 4.7 ton tow hitch. You're going to need it if you're going to do snatching, because some vehicles do not have a rear recovery point. Don't be fooled if, like mine, it has that little ring on the back of it. That is not a recovery point, that is a tie down. They use it in transport to tow vehicles. Don't ever use it as a recovery point, even if the manual says it is. They're not rated to anything heavy. You can get rated bits for it, but at the moment the quickest way for me, since I was planning on going out soon, is to get one of these. Let's have a look at this. Got a nice D-shackle on it. It's solid. It's got the workload limit of 4.7 tonne on it. Yet again, another bit to the accessory kit, the self-rescue, anything like that can come in handy. Keep tuned for what else I'm going to get, because there's going to be a lot more coming to do with self-rescues, rescues, winching, everything like that. There's a lot more I still need to do to the vehicle, so keep tuned on what's to come. Now just remember, all you Storm fans, storm out and go have an adventure. Thank you for watching the video. As always, please hit the like button, hit subscribe, and please keep tuned to the channel for more videos to come.